Welcome to Kindikids Centre 2, where connections inspire learning. We begin in the ocean room, a gentle first step from home, nurturing bonds and exploring through sensory play. Our infant playground presents us an open and nurturing space that promotes a sense of agency amongst our babies as they explore the outdoors. In our seaside room, we welcome a unique age group that supports a smoother transition between our nursery and toddler play spaces. Our homestead room, toddlers gain confidence through toileting, language and identity building. We provide fresh, nutritious meals that are prepared on-site daily by our cook, celebrating a variety of cultures within our community. In the outback room, growing independent is supported through curiosity, friendships and social learning. Our opened outdoor space provides children with endless opportunity to build on connections, confidence and social skills. The rainforest room prepares children for school life with structure, routine and a strong foundation in essential life skills. We also offer extracurricular programs including sports, dance and community engagement, like Young at Heart, where aged care residents visit for shared connection. At Kindikids Centre 2, every step is intentional, caring and full of wonder.